y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanti. Today we are going to be making some slime. So I couldn't use a bowl, so I decided to use, I believe in unicorn clear cups. See, it's really cool, clear, y'all can't even probably see the words. I believe in unicorns, so I'm going to use that to explain. So, I'm going to make some really glittery, clear slime. But then I'm gonna try, can I make it pink? By some pink food coloring. Oh, I wonder, can I paint it pink? If that doesn't work, I'll paint it pink. Yeah, paint pink. I love butterflies. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour our giant Elmer's glue and open it and pull the tape and pour some slime. So see, y'all can see that, obviously. You know what? I'm gonna move y'all on down and closer. Okay, that's one. Do y'all add glitter? Do y'all add the glitter in the glue while it's like so glue, or do y'all make the slime and then add the glitter? Comment down below. So I'm going to a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple. Okay. Okay, so now, sorry, it's too dark. Be right back. So guys, sorry, I'm trying to grab my chair. So I finished. Got my slime. It looks very pretty, as y'all see here. Looks very pretty. Ooh, let's do it on all sides. Guess what I bought with my own money? A guitar poppet! Yay! I bought a guitar poppet. Literally. And I could just hold it with... I took out 3 of them. I know y'all probably call that wasting, but I can attach it to my backpack, take it to school, do whatever I want. Oh, and that one didn't mean to come out. And that one, I was just trying to play with it, and then all of a sudden it was like, and it fell. But, besides that, I got a poppet. Watch this. Wait. That is amazing. Y'all love poppets, right? Anyway, there's Poppet. And Now let's add some more colors. Yay! So now let's add. Now let's add the. Do you want to add foam beads? Yeah. Let's add some foam beads to it. The whole point is supposed to be pink, purple, and white. Wait, how much am I? Y'all probably on the comments be like, oh my gosh, she uses too much ingredients. Well, it's my slime and I can do whatever I want. That y'all, look. I'm covered in glitter. That was a bad mistake. That was a bad mistake. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Y'all can see it. Isn't that pretty? Got some glitter in my eye. Like, she uses too much glitter. And I'm like, I know, it's so pretty. They're like, no, you use too much. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh, you're wasteful. Well, let me tell y'all. Sorry. Let me tell y'all. I love glitter. So y'all can be haters. Y'all can be haters, but my defense, glitter is all you need in this world. Put. Oh my gosh, just oh my gosh. Okay. Now let's just go over here, wash my little dirty hands, and be on with my stuff. Huh, my hands are dirty. And now we will add some grapefruit. See bubbles? Now we will just add a little. seen this online and it worked. I made some slime like this before. And now we just gotta add in that. That's it. Now just got to okay. Sorry. So now I will get like the plate and pour it on there. Just play with it. What kind of slime do we want? Do we want to metallic? Let's do metallic. Sorry, y'all. I got this for a penny. Sorry guys, I add a lot of slime and that's what it comes out to, like. I'm sorry, but look at this. Okay, let's just try to play with this slime and see what happens. Sorry I'm not talking that much is because I love slime. I mean, I'm really good at making it, but sometimes when I'm distracted by my cat and stuff like that TV show, probably know it's probably the Family Guy or something like that. Tell me on my Instagram if y'all watch that. But anyway, turned out it's good. It's a little sticky, but I can work it out. Just a little sticky. Now we will just get this and pour some on this. I know y'all probably gonna say, Instagram, gosh, that girl don't know when to stop using activator. Well, anyways, I got that for me. And also, that's how you make slime. You use activator. It doesn't matter how much you use. It's just what matters is that you make that you, even if motivational speaker about slime. Here we go. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much activator you really use, but you just gotta make the slime how you want it to be. If you want it to make it really sticky, you can make it really sticky. You can make it like candy glue. You can make it however you want. I mean, just because someone says, ew, that's sticky, ew, I don't like that, ew, I think you should change it, ew, I think like so harass, ew, I think you should so change it, I mean, ew, that's so gross. Just because people say that doesn't mean if you're sorry, doesn't mean that it's really that bad. If y'all had some slime fails, send it to me on Instagram. My Instagram's Tea Time with Shanti. It will be right up there. Tea Time with Shanti. Tea Time with Shanti. And it's really pretty. And I think everyone's slime is amazing. If they did bad, if they didn't mean to make it good, if they were trying to make the worst slime ever, and they made it really, really good, I don't care. Slime's slime. One day it's gonna get hard, and one day it's gonna get hard and never going to be. It's just gonna be a hard slime. Make an ASMR of you trying to work it out. Do short. Do something. I mean, every slime's different, and every person's different. So if y'all just want to make a slime, and sorry, I'm becoming a motivation speaker. But anyway, back to what I was saying. If your slime's ugly or horrible, people say like, ew, that's beautiful. Ew, that's so ugly. Ew, I think you should change it. Stuff like that. Don't listen to what they say. Just listen to whatever your mind says. I mean, if you made your slime and you think it's ugly, then you should change it. Don't go on whatever everyone else thinks. If people think it's ugly and you think it's really beautiful, you're proud of it, stand proud. Be proud. Like, my mom is probably my slime judge, I would say, and I make slime. She judges it. I just don't record it. She judges it, and I will tell y'all if it's a 10 or 1 or whatever. But she will feel it. If it's not sticky, then that means it's a 10. If it makes a bubble, it needs to have jumping. If y'all watch 9 Ellie Slime School, y'all get some slime recipes and some slime facts. If y'all slime facts, slime ideas, stuff to do with slime. It's called 9 Ellie's. It's called 9 Ellie Slime School. Yeah, did I do that? No, I think I did. Okay. And now I think my slime is amazing. Now I would just use this and get this paint off here. Use my nails. And now I will mix the slime too. It's beautiful if y'all you think that your slime needs, or it does. Here I go, talking to myself. No, don't do that. Okay, it's really a success. All I have to do is just mix it. And, oh no, guys. It's too sticky. y'all hear too much noise. I'm just trying to. Okay, so now I will just do like this. Slide it that position. This, and then just gotta mix it up a little. It smells like grapefruit. So that's why y'all use Dawn's dish soap. Dawn dish soap. Now it smells like grapefruit. Now just go to the sink and continue playing. You want to see me make a bubble? Yeah, y'all do. So, you know what? Y'all won't see me for a minute. You'll probably just see my feet and hands, but I'm gonna make a bubble. And then just gotta pop it. You know what? Ooh, sorry y'all. Did I bump y'all? You ready? Smells like dish soap. Y'all may think it's really sticky, but it's not. It's grapefruit and it really smells like dish soap. Shh, dish soap. Look at all that. You'll see the sparkles. Someone threw up glitter on me. Spoiler alert. Her name's Sophia. I don't know why, but I named my slime. This one is a glittery and sticky, so I'll call it Glitter Wonderland. No, since it's Halloween, I'll call it Baby Glitter. No, Unicorn Grow Up. Yep. This is called Unicorn Grow Up. So shiny, plus it has little beads in it. Sorry if that's gross, but it's kind of what I do. So, look, I made a butt. Okay, let's do this. I didn't do it right. This is fun. So anyway, how do y'all like my poppet and my slime? Don't y'all think it matches? Kind of, no. But the poppet's really good, and guess how much the price was? It was $13. It's $12.99, but with tax it was $13.40 something. I think it was $13.49, but I paid $20 and I got like $6 back. No, I got $7 back. And some check. Whoa. Oh, I know. I'm gonna add some paint. Let's see if I can. Okay. It's working. And now I just have to it's going in there. And I just gotta let it go. There you go. So I'm gonna let that fill up, you guys. And this has paint in it, so I'm trying, to like mix it and make it pink. But it already smells really good. Trying to make it a pink, a light pink. But instead, I think it's gonna turn out a little hot pink because of the paint. That gets all the paint, and it's like little furry noodles. I just suck it up in there. So guys, I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share all my videos with families and friends. Love y'all. Peace.